Hi there, I'm Stephanie, and I'm a Zenfolio expert. If you're a Portfolio Plus or Pro Suite subscriber in the United States, you have the ability to sell products through two of our vendors, Mpix and Bayphoto. You can view a complete list of available products for both vendors at success.zenfolio.com. This guide includes a complete list of print sizes, paper types, and more. You can view all of this information in greater detail when you're setting up your price lists. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@zenfolio.com. I hope this helps.